Welcome back, guys, and today we're playing Airplane Story. And today, my seat is G11, so I'm just right next to it. Just next to it. There we go. And I'm gonna glitch. I'm gonna glitch. Okay. We are currently flying at an altitude of 32,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we'll be arriving in no time. Close to our destination. Okay? So it means we're gonna arrive in our destination in no time. I'm already sitting in my seat because my feet hurts. Not kinda. G11. Look at this. Now please find your seat as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. That's a tongue twister. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And yep, that's a high turbulence. Not gonna lie. Oh, he did. He did. So he did. Thank you for your cooperation. So I played this game last year, but I didn't record it because I didn't have a YouTube channel yet. So get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Where's the crew? Hello everybody. Hello everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. I'm not gonna eat it because it has mayo. Oh my gosh, if I die, oh my god. If I die this time, I will literally rage quit. I didn't even eat the sandwich. Find my bag. Find my bag, please. Find my bag. Where's my bag? My bag. No, that's not my bag. That's not my bag. No, I'm gonna die. Help me. Help me, please. Help me. Help me. I'm gonna die soon. No. Is that mine? No, that's not mine. Thanks. Okay. I almost died. I had like 35 more seconds. And I wish I didn't die. Yeah. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you, you will reach a stable altitude. He's talking a little fast. Good music. I'm gonna need the bathroom because there's gonna be snakes. Yes, snakes. There's gonna be snakes. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We'll have a few hours to go. I'm not eating this sandwich. This sandwich is haunted. It's gone. Bill. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? It's a monster. It's a monster. It's a monster. Wait a sec. Survive. Okay. Are those snakes? Yes, are those snakes? And it's snakes. It's definitely snakes. And I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. So this restroom in the right is, no, in the left I mean, is gonna open. There's an open restroom. Yes, I mean it's right, and it's always right. G11. I'm not so far away. Laboratory. I'm gonna I need to take a privacy, please. And they did. They did. Okay. Guys, this open restroom clinic is. That was scary. Yes, it was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. What would we discuss then? What would we discuss? Is it nighttime? It's already nighttime though. Okay, so we're back. We just teleported. So I'ma just power is back up. Yes, yay! And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Yes, thank God. Is this the first class? No one has in the first class yet. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Okay, what's your good news then? The good news is the power is back up. The power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen, and we have face mask. Over. Mine. No. No. Did I get it? Did I have it? No. Well, guys, I guess this is the end. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, hit the notification so you're still on the channel when I upload. Bye bye.